The next step is we then go over to the Scotch-Brite wheel. It's the same stuff that you scrub your pots with. It's just plain old Scotch-Brite on a wheel. They sell it like this. Yeah, it's a mop. It's amazing. It just leaves this beautiful satin finish, equivalent to about, I don't know, 300 grit, but it's not like shiny, it's satin. It's very nice. Okay, we're about to start forging. The forge is off. We've got billets in there. Here are the finished hammer heads, ready for handles when we start handling. Let's go get some hot steel. The air conditioning is hard at work, as you can see. So, what time is it now, Sam? It's now 20 to 2, 1:40 in the afternoon, and here are the super sexy square circles that we've just knocked out. Oh my goodness, they came out great. How do you feel about stopping for lunch, Sam?
I think that's a good idea.
I'm hungry. Right, so let's have lunch. By the way, I'm very sorry, I'm bad with names. Somebody commented some great advice the other day. They let us know that they're in the construction industry, and whenever they have a really heavy hot day's work, they're trying to avoid carbs and kind of just have protein for lunch. And I went ahead and did that yesterday. I just kind of ate sausages and like no spaghetti or rice or bread or anything. I actually felt pretty great. I didn't have that kind of sugar crash that'll often happen after a big bowl of carbs. So, very sorry for forgetting your name, but thank you. However, having said that, it's spaghetti bolognese again today. Okay, so we've now eaten, and rather than lighting the forge up again and making more hammers, I think that we're gonna start grinding, heat treating, and handling. Again, I wanna see if I can get rid of that oxygen bottle before the end of the day so I can refill it. We'll see how that goes. But we're definitely gonna start grinding, heat treating, handling, and hopefully by the end of the day, we'll have some handled and completely finished hammers. We'll see how that goes. So again, just like yesterday, I'm gonna begin this by radiusing off that inside eye, having a look at it all, make sure it's straight. This one, there's really nothing I can see, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the inside corner. .120 grit done. Time to go to the torch, harden these bad boys. That's it. Out of oxygen. Had one more hammer to do as well. Anyway, we're gonna head to the steel supplier and fill it up again. Damn it, it won't fit. Okay, so we're about to go to the best steel supplier in the world. Not necessarily for quantity of stock, more so just because these people are freaking awesome. Welcome to the best steel supplier in the world.
A shiny brand new one.
I don't know how much you guys remember, but again, this is one of my favorite things about being a blacksmith. In 3, 2... We got all these square circles heat treated, and boy, they are nice.
Yeah, well good mate.
Well, good mate. So now it's time to begin the dusty, long and arduous process of fitting handles to them. Okay, so we're setting up all the hammers up here so that I can then grind all the handles here at the belt grinder outside. And I just ran into Sam Hammerhands. Get it? Get it? Yeah, yeah. So this thing fell off this belt grinder and I don't know how to fix it. So we've moved the other belt grinder out and we're gonna use this. So I'm just gearing up to thin down some more blanks and I've put on my Dutch gloves. I just felt like it. It seemed like a great idea. They're really comfortable. Thanks Rainier for giving them to me, by the way. Right, I'm gonna get back to work. So we're slowly eating away at this pile of hammer blanks. It's something or other time, I don't know, 7 something in the evening. The sun has officially set over the city, and so I'm now working by my camera lights here at the grinder. Sam is very kindly doing the final polishing on the handles, one by one. How are you doing, Sam? You enjoying yourself?
No.
Oh, sorry. We usually aim to please. Back to the grinder. Okay, so I've now done the fitting for the eye of all of these handles. Sam is still working, polishing up the wood, and he's gotten all the way over to there. I'm now going to work on the rest of them here. However, I'm going to take off this 36 or 40 grit belt, which is very sharp, as my finger wants to show. Luckily, that's the only casualty, and it's just a callus, so it's not really a big deal. Take this off, switch it over to a 120, nice sharp 120, that'll buff them up real nice and smooth in pretty good time, too. Do you have your phone on you? Do you know what time it is? Okay. So it's 8:45 in the evening, and all of these handles are now ready to have the slot cut in them and then be installed in the heads. What we've done is we've marked a line on each one to where the round die is, so that we know which way it fits. And I'm tired and I'm hungry, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you tomorrow, of course, just like every other day. This is a daily vlog. I put out 7 videos a week, including a live show. Subscribe, enjoy yourselves, and you guys are awesome, and I'm exhausted, and we gotta tidy all of this stuff up Gotta tidy all of this stuff up and head in for the night. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.